Okay, now let's start. So in this video you will be learning how to do the first layer. So in a cube there are 3 levels. So the first level is this, the top color and all the other colors in the first layer. And the second layer is the first layer and the second layer both combined, which forms 2 lines. And the third layer is this completed with the color. So in this video we will learn how to do the first layer. So let's mix the cube. Okay, now it's completely scrambled. But before teaching you how to solve this, I will tell you the common basics of a cube. So let me show you all the parts that a cube has. Each color has 3 parts. Each color, like every color, has 3 parts. Like this. So the first part and the main part is the center. Centers always stay in the center and they don't move anywhere. They move only like this. They can't move from this place to any other place in the color. They only stay at the center. And one more thing about the centers is orange and red are opposite. Yellow and white are opposite. Green and blue are opposite colors. Only if they are like this, the cube can be solved. The second, the edges. The edges are nothing but these 4 colors which make a plus. So the edge only moves in edge place, like this edge can be placed here but it can't be placed in the center place or this place. So this is an edge. There are 4 edges for every color. The third one is the corner. So these are the corners. These 4 are the corners. Just like the edges, the corners can only be placed in a corner's place, from here to here or here, but they can't be moved from here or here. So center stays in center's place, edges stay in edges place, and corners stay in corner's place. Okay. So the first step is to choose a color to start with. I start with white every time, so I choose white. You can choose any color. So after you have chosen a color, turn it upside down. Like if you choose white, you can turn it upside down and obviously there will be yellow. You have to hold it like yellow should be facing the top. If you choose green, blue should be facing the top for now, for the first step. And the first step's target is we have to put all the edges over here in the yellow's place. So let me put it and show. Like this. You have to place all the edges with the yellow. And let me show how you do that. So the first case is, there's a piece here and you can put it here directly. It can be done directly without any formula, just like this. The second case, you can put it directly but there's something blocking its way, like one more white piece. If you put this here, the other piece will go. So what you have to do is just turn it somewhere where it won't go, to an empty place. So this is empty, there's nothing over here. You can directly turn it now. Like turn it the other side, place it upwards. That's it. The third case, it's over here in the top. So what you do is just turn it like this and place it. That's it, very easy. And the last one, let me show. Yeah, it's like this in the bottom. So what you do is, for example, it's like this. If you turn it like this, this piece will go. So what you do is take an empty row like this, where there's no white edge, turn it like this, and now you can freely turn it and it comes here. Then you can place it here. So what I told you, if any white piece is blocking its way, just turn it where there is empty place and place it upwards. So that's it, simple. So now the edges are all placed. Now our target is to move all these edges correctly to white and make it align correctly with the centers like this. So what you're going to do is search for an edge which is perfectly aligned already, like this or like this. If it is not aligned, you can find out, like blue and orange, this did not match at all, so you will move on to the next piece. This did not match, this matched. So what you're going to do is just turn it 2 times, it comes here. Next one, this is also matched, just turn it 2 times, it's placed. If it is not matched, you just turn it and see, did it match? Blue and green, no. Now blue and red, no. Blue and blue, it matched, so you can turn this also. The last piece, orange, where is orange center? If red is here, obviously orange will be here. Turn it 2 times until it gets matched. So this one is also matched, turn it 2 times. So now forget about the yellow side and turn it like this. Our first step is over. Now moving on to the second step, we have to put all the edges like this and complete the whole layer, the first layer, with the centers. So this is called a corner. A corner has 3 colors, like for this one, white, orange and green, and for this it's white, red and green. So every corner has 3 colors, not only with the white one, like red, green and yellow. All corners have 3 colors, like edges have 2 colors, corners have 3 and center has only 1 color. So now what we are going to do is place the corners on the white face in their correct position. So how you find out where is the position is? So you have to put only white corners here. You can't put any other color, like you can't put yellow corner in white's place. You have to only put the white one. So first search for a white corner like this one. So you have to even look at the other colors like white, orange and green. How you put it is, how you find out a place. If I put this corner here like this will be matched, but this one won't be completed, so this is not a place for it. So this has green and orange, so we have to search for green and orange centers. You can just move this, don't move this one, don't move the middle layer, the centers will be mismatched like this. So you have to only move the lower layer to search. So now I am moving and seeing like this. So first I am seeing with this white, orange and green. You have to even see these 3, like these 3. So white, orange and green, white, green and red. These colors are not same, like white, orange and green, white, green and red are not same. So moving on to the next one. White, orange and green, white, orange and green. This has perfectly matched, like orange, green and white. So it means this piece goes here. So how you put it is, so you hold it like this, the white piece should be facing you, and this white piece is in the left side row. So what you do is, if it's in the left side, move it to the right side, bring it down, turn it the other side and place it upwards. That's it. That's how it's done. So our second corner. So here is one. So it's white, red and green. So let's check these three. White, red and blue. No, it's not. It did not match. Next one. White, red and green. White, red and green. This one has matched. So how you put it when it's on the right side? So it's on the right side row. What you do is move it to the left side like this. Place the row down and place it back. So it's matched. So our two of our edges are placed and only two are remaining. Let's go. So let me show you another case where the corner is on the top and you don't know how to put it here on the bottom row. So what you do is, it's on the right side row. You have to hold it like it should, the white color should face you like this. Now what you do is, it's on the right side. Bring the right side row down. Turn it to the right side. Right side only. If it's on the right side row, turn it to the right side. Place it upwards. It will come down. So you can place it. So let's see where it's belonging to. White, orange and blue. White, orange and blue. It matched. So what we do is place it. It's here. It's on the right side row. We turn it to the left side. Bring it down. Place it back. And put it here. So it's matched. So time for the last corner. So sometimes what happens is the corner will hide from you. Like it won't be here, here, here. It won't be anywhere in this place. It will be over here. So how do you get this up here? Not by rotating the piece. So what you do is, first align it with the empty corner. Like this is empty. These all are placed. This is empty. So you put it here like this. So this is on the right side. Now what you do is, imagine this white piece was here. Like instead of being in the down place, it will be here. So what we actually do to place it here, what we do is turn it here, bring it down, place it here and put it back up. So that is what we do. So what we do to bring it up is, it's just imagine it is here, turn it the other side because it's in the right side, we turned it to the left side, we bring it down, turn it 2 times instead of 1 time, turn it 2 times and bring it back up. So now it's here, right where we wanted it. Now we don't need to imagine, it's already there. We will put it back automatically, directly the way we used to do. So it's on the right side, turn it the other side, bring that row down, put it back and place it back. So that's it. It's very easy. No formulas are needed. It's done with the centers aligned and the corners in their place. Wait, let me show you if you put these corners randomly. So this is the difference. If you place them in their proper place, this is how it will be done. But if you place them in their incorrect place like this is how your first layer will be. But when you place them in the correct place like this, it will match. So let me show. Where should I put? Oh, it's already done. Okay, it's like this. So that's it for the first level, and the second level will be uploaded very soon. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll get the notifications, and keep practicing until I post the new video. All the best. Bye bye.